In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with Santander UK Mobile Online in 2025. Whether you're looking for a card that offers great cashback options or one with excellent travel perks, Santander has a range of choices to fit your needs. Let's walk through the process together to make sure you have all the information you need to apply successfully. First, you'll need to start by visiting Santander's website. Once you're there, navigate to the credit card section, which you'll find conveniently located at the top of the page. This is where you can explore the options available and get a sense of which card might be best for you. Now, choosing the right card is an essential step in this process. Santander offers several options, such as the everyday no balance transfer fee card for those who want to avoid extra charges, the everyday long-term balance transfer card if you're planning to transfer a balance, the versatile all-in-one credit card, the Santander Edge for cashback enthusiasts, and the World Elite MasterCard with premium travel perks. Carefully consider what benefits align with your lifestyle and financial goals before making a decision. Next up, you'll want to check your eligibility. To apply for a Santander credit card, you must be at least 18 years old and a UK resident. It's also important that you have an annual income of at least $10,500. Check your financial history as well. Santander requires that you have no recent bankruptcies or county court judgments, and you can't already have the card that you wish to apply for. Ensuring you meet these criteria will save you from unnecessary rejections. When you're ready to proceed, click the Apply Now button on the card you've chosen. This will take you to the application form where you'll need to provide your personal details. This includes your name, address, and date of birth. Additionally, you'll need to provide information about your employment and income, as well as your bank account details. Be sure to enter everything accurately, as any discrepancies could delay your application or affect your approval. Once everything is filled out, submit your application. Santander will conduct a credit check as part of their decision-making process, and you can usually expect a response within minutes. If your application is approved, your new credit card will be mailed to you, allowing you to start enjoying the benefits soon. And there you have it, a straightforward way to apply for a Santander credit card online. Remember to double check all the details you enter and choose the card that aligns best with your financial needs. Good luck with your application, and we hope your new card serves you well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.